Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and just taking a quick look here at the Vivo IQOO Z1. Now, the reason why you guys have been wondering about this phone, not just the IPS LCD or that 120 Hertz refresh rate display, this phone is housing that Dimensity 1000 that has really, I think, just impressed a lot of people in a lot of articles I've read, and it is a step above what we've seen on the Dimensity 820. This is the silver version of the phone, and you can see here 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C. But this phone honestly is not that impressive. It's an LCD display, but I will say I do like how FunTouch OS has now improved the location of the control center. It's now at the top, so this might actually make me at least consider FunTouch OS phones in the future. Pretty nice refresh rate, but look, it is LCD, guys. You know I'm not a huge fan of LCD phones, and there is a bit of ghosting around the punch hole, which is off to the right. It's kind of a weird placement now. I'm kind of used to seeing these on the left, but overall, it's a decent phone. But I think, guys, there's gonna be better phones that come out eventually. There you see the camera array on the back, and the build quality of this phone is not good. It's a little bit flimsy feeling, and it just doesn't feel like a very premium phone. I do like the overall kind of experience of the display, the fluidity, and here you see I was trying to look for the refresh rate, but just shout out to my man Lampo. He let me play around with this phone for a couple of minutes. I was considering buying it, guys, and especially to test it out with the Dimensity 820 of the Redmi 10X Pro. But honestly, I'm not feeling it, guys. I'm not feeling it, and I think there's gonna be better phones out there with this Dimensity 1000 in the future. But just showing you guys one more time here, the Vivo IQOO Z1, and there's already a Z1, I think, refresh that's already come out. So anyways, guys, just a quick look here, and if you wanted to see this phone, do let me know. But I think for now, considering the price point, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna wait for a future release that's kind of more exciting than this phone. But anyways, like, subscribe, stay tuned, guys, for more great content here on Frankie Tech. And this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.